Hey guys, and welcome. Thanks so much for checking out my YouTube traffic formula. Now imagine getting 5,000, 10,000, even 20,000 views on every YouTube video that you publish, even with 0 subscribers. So the problem that most people face with YouTube is that most content creators spend a lot of time filming and editing their videos, and then they need to publish their videos, and then they need to optimize them so that they rank on YouTube, and they end up with maybe 87 views, and half of them probably coming from their family and friends. So a lot of great content sits there unwatched, gathering dust. So it's a lot of wasted potential. And that's why I created the YouTube traffic formula. It's a proven system that I use to get tons of views to my videos for just 0.004 cents per view. And there's no guesswork. It's a simple step-by-step process, and you can start seeing results within days. And the best part is it's so simple to set up, and then you can rinse and repeat this process for any offer that you want to drive traffic to. So within my YouTube traffic formula, I will show you my real results. So I ran 2 case studies. The very first time I ran the traffic campaign, I went from 0 subscribers to 15,000 views in 72 hours. And I thought, okay, this is awesome. And I'm paying 0.004 cents per view. So then I thought, okay, I want to scale this further. So I ran another campaign, and I went from 15,000 to 46,000 views in 2 weeks. And it just blew my mind because I was still paying 0.004 cents per view. And I will show you that inside my YouTube traffic formula training. So what's inside? As I mentioned, I will show you my results. You will get step-by-step training. So over-the-shoulder video tutorials on how to set everything up. And this is a rinse and repeat system. You can start with 1,000 views and scale to 10,000 views very easily and for a super low cost. There are so many benefits beyond getting YouTube video views. You will get instant social proof, and your channel will start to grow naturally. So next time you publish a video on YouTube, it will get a lot more organic reach, and there's a lot of revenue potential. You can direct more traffic to your offers and funnels. And you can set up a retargeting campaign and build audiences that you can market to afterwards again and again. And there's no special requirements for this. So this works for any channel, new or established. It doesn't matter if you have 1 video or 50 videos. It will work for any video content, tutorials, vlogs, reviews, all formats. And it's a simple setup. There's no fancy gear needed. In fact, I'm going to give you a lot of AI tools that will help you speed up the workflow. So if you join my YouTube traffic formula today and you follow my training, and you take action, copy my system, you can get on average 10,000 plus views. And you can get those views starting from 0.004 cents per view. And you can start seeing results as soon as 48 hours. In fact, I saw my first results within 48 to 72 hours. So grab your copy of the YouTube traffic formula now and start seeing results today.